This activity is to start to appreciate the wide variety of animals here on planet Earth and get to learn about some of the vocabulary that we're going to be learning pretty shortly. This is the Animal Kingdom Scavenger Hunt. What you're going to do is you're going to answer the questions in the form by doing Google searches for the animals that each question describes. For each animal you find, you need to include the common name, what it's typically called by everyone, the scientific name, um, which is the Latin genus and species, and a picture of the animal. So I'm going to do one as an example for you. I'll do my favorite animal. My favorite animal is a dog. I can do a Google search for the dog scientific name or dog genus and species, and here is the scientific name for a dog. I can just copy that and paste it. So, in order for you to be able to upload a picture into your Google Forms, you have to take a screenshot of pictures of animals. So when you do a Google search, you can click for images, and some image will pop up. On your Chromebooks, to do a quick snip of what you see on the screen, what you can do is press Control, Shift, and then this middle button right here. And then it will give you a little cursor. The screen will turn gray and it will give you a little cursor, and you can just click and drag over the image in order to take a little snapshot picture of it. Okay, so the screen went gray. I have this little plus cursor, and I can click and then just drag, and it'll save what I clicked over. Books will automatically save it into your Google Drive, which is a good thing because you need to have your pictures saved into your Google Drive in order to upload them into the form. So if you click Add File, you can go to your drive, and then I have some images that are already saved that I can use to fill in. So I'm going to select a picture of my dog. But all of your screenshots should show up here. Okay, and my image is uploaded. If you have any issues or have any questions, please send me an email.